afternoon. Mercedes-Benz service 24 hours. How may I help you?
Oh, it's nothing urgent, really. Just some minor damage.
Are you sure it's nothing?
Go on. Have a look. Oops. Looks like minor damage, right? This is a sensor. It detects other road users and warns the driver. All of these sensors, they assist, they prevent, they save lives. You did the right thing by contacting us, Michael. So we can quickly be on site to help you. We repair damage, and the damage behind the damage, up to Mercedes-Benz standards. Mercedes-Benz Repair and Reconnect.